Hello, good evening, friends. Tomorrow is Nifty mid select expiry date, that is 16th October 2003. Quickly, I have showing you overview for monthly chart. This is a monthly chart, okay. And then if you see the monthly chart, it's like there's a push of price from the below to top, and again from here to there to rejection. And if you go to the weekly, the same situation, price somewhere in between, it is standing, it is in range. We'll see in the shorter time period, you can see clearly the range. Now if you see, observe this, the price is somewhere moving from 9,037 or 9,040, 50 range, 20 range to 9,200 range. So mid Nifty is stuck between these two range. That is, looks like this is a supply, this is this is a demand zone, again this is supply zone. So many rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. So that means only Nifty, mid Nifty can sustain only if goes above 9,200. Let's go and see the shorter time period, where we stand. Now shorter time period. Again, if you see, observe, so that is on Friday, it is started taking a support somewhere this range, 9,113, and start going up again. The strong resistance was there in 9,176. So from there again it tried to go nearby and start getting rejection. Market is closed, though it's showing 9,128 line, but market is closed 9,140. So 9,140 somewhere here. It's closed here, market. Now what is the status tomorrow? What we can expect tomorrow? Looking at the candles, it's kind of going downside. If we put the trend line also, different trend lines you can apply on this, like this if you keep it. And if you put this channel, something like this, somewhere in this channel it is there. Okay, let's assume this is a channel. Okay, that is one way of looking at it, because it's like going to this and again getting rejected, taking some support in 9,131, and again going up, again falling, and again going up. So if you see, overall it's showing downtrend only, time being. It's downtrend. What happens tomorrow? 9,140 is closed. If market opens above or below, what will be the targets? Let's look at by applying first Fibonacci. From top to bottom. If you observe, it's already below 0.5%, that is 50% of this thing, 9,163, and took little bit support, played around little bit time in 0.38 to that 9,150. Finally it's come down, but finally market shows is closed 9,140. Somewhere here we are as of close, Friday close. So what I expect from the market is, it may gap down, go a little bit upside, again it may go down, or it may open somewhere here as a gap up, somewhere here 9,042. Again this range is very strong, the resistance range. Only if sustains above 9,176 only, I'll be thinking of the CE side. Otherwise, my personal feeling is I'll be under PE side only. So what is the other resistance supports we have? Now the falling like this, if 9140 goes below this 9133 is one more support is there as per Febu. Otherwise previous resistance support is the 9131. If goes down, I straight away take a put call, my personally, and then if I'll wait here for some time in case if he goes down further, I'll hold it till it is somewhere here 9145 previous low. If breaks this, then you can hold some more time. Okay, so coming back to what is the day's range tomorrow? Let's see what is the day's range tomorrow. Looking at that is 13th closure. Mid cap has opened 9,128. It made a high of 9,181, low of 1,905, and closed at 9,141 or 140.90. Based on this, my levels would be like this. In case if it goes gap down, these are the levels I'm looking for: 9,133, 9,126, 9,119. Here it may take little bit pause and market may go up and again come down. I'm not sure, but that is what its behavior when it's going down. And 9,099 is another support level. I'll look for it. In case gaps up tomorrow 9,140, I don't expect too much going up. Maximum I expect 9,161 or 9,154 or 9,161. At looking at the present, even if it gaps up from 9,161, I feel strongly it will get rejected. That's my personal opinion. And then if we see now let's move to the once again let's go to the chart and see if I put the tomorrow's what do you call CPR. Okay, tomorrow, by looking at tomorrow's CPR, anyway the market is somewhere here, it's closed 9,140 and CPR is exactly 9,141. That is, it's like it's below CPR. My personal feeling is sometime it is negative only. Okay, and then tomorrow's CPR more or less looks little bit narrow. It will be very trendy, either the downside or the upside. Okay. Now again let's go back to the strike price. What would be the strike price tomorrow? These are the nearest strike price I've taken under CE, under PE. These are the strike price. In case if I'm expecting the market to go which area, let's say market which it can go up to 9,100 or 9,100 or even 9,100. Let's keep it for a practical purpose 9,100. I would then I'll take the in the money, little bit away depending on this thing. 9,100 close price is 1620. In case it gaps up any of this support level, I will kind of buy the 9,100 PE. In case if I'm lucky, if I get something like it, 9 rupees or 13 rupees range, if I feel the market is going down, then my 13 rupees strike price of 9,100 can fetch us up to these are the ranges from 19.31 to 34 and above. Okay, I've shown only up to 4 or 4. In case by any chance I doubt market will really go up because of present scenario of a lot of the results of Infosys and many other things, war situation, all those things. Apart from that, there is a mood in corrections also. So what I feel is, in case if it's going 9,100 range, or maximum I see 9,175, it can go. Let's see where it can go. Yeah, maximum if it all goes, because 0.618 level is there, 9,177 or 9,176 is the highest resistance I feel for tomorrow, unless it gaps up like somewhere here and booms, then a different story. It's only ifs and buts, because we don't know much direction market will open tomorrow. But we are only getting ready in case if it goes. I only expect 9,175 maximum, so I may buy this in case if I get it in a somewhere around which level, say 140, and if slowly it started moving, or if it passes this quickly for scalping for 20 points, I may think of buying 9,175 C I can buy if I'm getting some rate. So how much it can fetch me? Close price is 1820. In case I'm getting some, say initially 21 rupees or something like this, some 5-6 rupees, I would definitely exit at 28.76. If I'm lucky, I can wait up to this. Now going back to the one more thing we need to cover, what is the open chain, open interest option chain, it says for this tomorrow. Option chain at present, even if you keep 9,040, 150, what they are expecting is like, the first resistance is 12,733, and highest it cannot go more than 9,200 as per present open interest. My expectation, if at all it goes 9,175 max, it can go. And if at all, as I told you, without even saying, I told you 9,100. I expect 9,100 should be the strong support as per PE, because if you see open interest 25,897 is there. Next open interest is only up to 9,000. So somewhere range around 9,100 and 9,075 range is the safe, or 9,050 is the safe to exit your PE positions. Okay. That's all from my end. Wish you all the best. Have a great day tomorrow. Happy weekend as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.